tell you about the largest dermatology problem in the world, perhaps the largest therapeutic problem in the world, atopic dermatitis, or some of you know it as eczema, and how our company is poised to dominate that market and be the next billion-dollar drug treating atopic dermatitis. This is atopic dermatitis. On the left, you see the redness around the little girl's face. This is after 11 months of treatment before our drug. And on the right, you can see after only 17 days, all of the AD is resolved, and there's even a little bit of a smile peeking through. This is what we've seen in our clinical trials. The market is huge. We have factored in sell price for each of the major markets, factored it down all the way down in China, for example. We factored in access to healthcare in each market, and we still come up with each of the major markets, multi-billion-dollar markets, which point to the ability to do regional exits or a global exit. That's very, very attractive, as you'll see in a little bit. We've completed our phase 2A clinical trial program. We'll be raising money now to do our phase 2B clinical trial program. These are the results of the phase 2A. Focus on first the darker green boxes and then the lighter green boxes. Darker green is where we were most effective. Lighter green is where we're almost as effective as everyone else. We were the best at treating the top priorities of atopic dermatitis. We're the only drug that treats the critical priority of atopic dermatitis. And then we did very, very well at treating the standard inflammation component of atopic dermatitis. As far as regulatory status goes, we've done our first set of clinical trials in Australia. We need to simply file an update notification, and we will be ready to start our phase 2B clinical trial in Australia in February. In the US, we've submitted our IND, investigational new drug application, to FDA. We've gotten a terrific, constructive, supportive response. We're on track to start the phase 2B clinical trial in the US in March of next year. In Europe, the same thing. We'll on track to start in March of 2025. The difference between the phase 2A and the phase 2B is fairly simple. We did a total of 60 patients in the first trial that I showed you the data for. This time we're going to do a total of 200 patients. We're currently raising a Series B round. We've got an $18 million round, of which $8 million is already in the bank, so we're looking for $10 million more. We funded 2 of the 4 critical milestones already. Our phase 2B trial is being broken into an Australia piece and a US and European piece. We have funded the Australia piece, 60 patients. We have funded to the tune of $4 billion at sales value drug raw material supply. And 2 yet to be funded is the phase 2 trial for our second drug, which I won't talk about here, epidermolysis bullosa. And we have to fund the US and the EU atopic dermatitis phase 2B trial. What could an exit look like? Well, there are 3 terrific exits, recent exits. Amgen, Sanofi, and Johnson & Johnson did license deals or acquisitions. All 3 of those were over $1 billion in transaction value. All 3 were at the end of the phase 2 trial, where we will be at the end of this raise. And my slide deck is there we go. So what could the return look like for this round? If we did the same deal Sanofi did, it's a 25x on our Series B. We did the same deal as J&J did, it's a 20x. If we did the same deal Amgen did, it's a 22x. My background, half of career is life science, large pharma, second half of career, all early stage. Last exit is 16x. And I think I'll end it there.